Hey guys, it's me, Alpha Star video. So today I'm gonna be unboxing something from Amazon. Yes. So yeah. Yay! All right, let's get this. I'm just gonna show you it right now. Here it is. It is the Sparkle Spectacular. So these are just warning signs. The crying onion. Yes. So we have this kitten, this boombox, this drink, a soda, I guess, and this cow, this crab, this cocker spaniel, this seagull, I think, this crocodile, this skunk, this hedgehog or porcupine, this bunny, and this butterfly. Oh, and there's a guitar and this crown and also these glasses and this thingy. Alright, so this is the back. Really awesome. So here we have Glitter Krabby. Just this crab. Mist Skunky. Tinsels Spanielton. Radent Blue Paws. Radent Hedger. Snowy Peculiar. Gleamy Bunnyton, Gizzy Pretty Fly, Sleek Gattery, and Glisten Cowbie. I'm sorry that I'm in a different place now, but whatever. So I'm starting off with the accessories. So here we have these blue glasses. Focus. Okay, whatever. Next up, we have this boom box. It's really thin, but whatever. It has a lot of detail, but it's really blurry. Okay, so next we have this little crown, which you can also use as a skirt because like this opens. So yeah, it's my new skirt. Oh, never mind. All right, get that away. Put that right there. And last, we have this juice box. I mean, it's so cute. Alright, and then we have this little archway with the disco ball that moves. Oops, whatever. Oh, this keeps falling. Oh, whatever, let's push those away, guys. The LPS. First, I have this Cocker Spaniel. Really cute. Kind of looks like an old lady, but whatever. She has teal eyes and gray sparkles. She's really cute. I think right now she is one of my favorite LPS. I mean, like, I never had a Cocker Spaniel, but whatever. We have this bunny. So this is her body color is a light purple and dark purple sparkles. And some hazel eyes, and a little tiny tooth. She keeps falling. Fluttering in, we have this butterfly. So she kind of reminds me of Fluttershy, but whatever. She has some blue eyes and dark purple sparkles. Yeah. Purring here is this kitten. So she has a light blue colored body, and it's kind of fading into white on her muzzle, and some, I guess, greenish blue eyes with some dark blue glitters. We have this crab with I guess a peachy tan color, I guess, like a salmon color, and she has a light blue shell and light blue glitters, and there's a guitar which I forgot to show, and some dark blue eyes. Yeah, we have a skunk. So she has a dark purple body and white glitters and also some light blue eyes. Yeah. We have the most sparkly hedgehog, I guess. She is like almost the same color as this crab, but I think she's a little lighter. And she has green eyes and just glitter. Yeah, bye. We have the seagull, I think. So she is a hot pink color with some webbed feet, which are orange, and some orange glitters, and some green eyes. Up we have this cow. So this cow is like a tannish color, and she has some hazel hair with hazel glitter, and she has some dark purple eyes, and this little collar with a bell on it. Yeah, moo. And not least, I guess, we have this alligator. This alligator is a boy. He's really cute. He has a light blue mold and some blue glitters on his head in between his two eyes and purple eyes. Yeah, bye. Bye.